So I just found a fun little composition over here. I'll show you. Just here with the seats on either side and the shaft of light in the background. I'll just be standing here playing with shutter speeds, trying to see what I could get. Get some movement in the people, trying to get some lone figures, trying to get some groups of people. But yeah, if it's any good, I'll pop it up on screen. And now we're on the High Line. I'm going to head south on this now and just do a little bit of, I guess, my speed photography and see what portraits and stuff we can get, any cool light and stuff like that. Show you this guy over here. Hello again. Well, that's me done. Walk the High Line. The weather is amazing right now. And I'm pretty much back where I started. It's a really nice walk the High Line, but Saturdays really isn't the time to go. It is and it isn't, I should say. It gets crazy busy, especially when the weather's good. So like if you're someone that's not wanting to be around lots of people and confined spaces, because there's some stretches that are pretty tight. I would definitely recommend coming during the week. Probably your best bet. I think I came at the right time today. The sun was in a nice spot in the sky, so there's lots of cool vantage points where you can look down onto the streets. Lots of nice lines. With people crossing sidewalks and stuff, and little pockets of light here and there scattered around the place, which is makes for fun playing with light and shadow, as I love to do. I took so many images today. I'm not looking forward to going back and culling them at all. But yeah, definitely if you're in New York and you want a nice walk, good photography opportunities, do the High Line. Just maybe, I would say maybe do it during the week, and then if you feel like you can handle it being busier, then come back at the weekends. I also got some nice, well, I think I got some nice photographs of people. At one stage on the way back, I don't know what it was. It was like a bunch of people in costume as, I want to say cats or anime cats. I'm not sure. Of course, I wasn't recording at the time, so I have no video of it. But again, I think I got some photos of that. And then I saw two random people coming towards me with pigeon masks. I really hope they turned out, because it's just so random. Then again, we are in New York, so random is every day. Then obviously I'm saying honeycomb. I know it's not the honeycomb. I can't think what it's called. It's called a vessel, but the nickname I want to say was, I should know this. Yes, honeycomb. I think I'm right. I've never been this close to it before, but it was cool. I think I also got some nice reflection shots looking up into it. You can tell me if I did or not. Comment below, let me know. But yeah, I think that will wrap it up really. Gonna head home and, like I said, cull these photos and have a Guinness. Like I always say, at least I'm out here, I'm doing it. Got some fresh air, I had fun, enjoyed the process. I can't ask for any more than that. All right, my friends, thanks for watching, and I will see you all again on the next one. Laters, bye-bye.